everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to make a boomerang video on Snapchat. For that, open the Snapchat application first. Once you open the Snapchat application, you need to record a video at first. So I'm gonna record a random video first. So this is the video that I have just recorded for my Snapchat. You cannot directly record a boomerang video. You will have to make the changes later on once you make the video. So as I have made a video on Snapchat, now what I have to do is you need to tap on the loop icon or the infinity icon on the right side of your phone screen. If you tap that infinity icon, you will have this option for tap or more. Tap again. Play once, the video will be played only once. If you tap on, you will find the loop option. Now if you tap once more, you will find the bounce option. As you can see, I do not have this bounce option, maybe because I did not have my Snapchat updated. Once you tap on that bounce option, you will be able to create a boomerang. Once you tap that, you will be able to choose a different part of this video to do the boomerang. You can choose a certain part and make that video a boomerang video. So make sure that your Snapchat is updated, and then you will have the bounce option in here. So this is how you can make a boomerang video on Snapchat. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.